My name is Nathan Hunt. I'm the owner of Pirtek and I graduated from the diesel program, generator program and welding program at Ohio Technical College. Pirtek is a hydraulic hose service. We are mobile and 24/7. So we will go on site, remove a blown hydraulic hose, make a new one and reinstall it. How I ended up with this franchise is I started working for a company that dove pretty deep into hydraulics, and I found myself from the diesel industry getting more and more involved and getting more enticed into the hydraulic side of things. I saw a big gap in the market where people would have a problem with their job sites and wasting time and still not getting the right product. With Pirtek, we offer 1 hour ETA on site, 24/7 hours a day with all the right equipment to get the job done. Being in the industry for a while, you kind of realize how much people rely on hydraulics and how it is literally just everywhere. You know, every industry, manufacturing, construction, marine, all over the place. That is what drew me to it. Both Pirtek and Pirtek Valley View are looking for several technicians to hire immediately. If you want to apply for a job with Pirtek, please go online to Career Plug and type in Pirtek